Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we will see how we can manipulate the data that we just stored in our data frame, and we saw it using show command also. So we'll see and we'll focus on filter operation that we have in Spark. So we already have one data frame which we just loaded recently, which has 10 records with columns ID, name, salary, and location. So in this data frame, if we want to filter, we'll just apply df.filter. So there are different ways to apply it. So first way is you will just create a new data frame out of operation filter on first data frame. So in this filter, you can basically get the name of data frames any column, which like df dot suppose id, and if you want to display only those records whose id is greater than 3, which means all the records will be shown for which the id is greater than 3, which means from 4 to 10 will be visible in this df2 data frame. So if I just show this df2 data frame, you can see it is starting from 4 to 10. So the result is affirmative. There is one more way to do that. So these ways are not like having different USPs. These are just the other ways which can give you the more readability or your personal interest, or there are different prototypes in your existing scripts work. So whatever suits you, you can use. So next way to do that is importing one of the PySpark dot SQL module, which is functions, and from functions you can import column to address the columns, and then df3 equals to df dot filter. So this is something similar. After this, you just use that function that you just imported column and just give the column name. It's pretty simple, right? And for example, salary. So we can say column salary has value which is greater than probably 30,000. Okay. Let's see df3 dot show. Yeah, all the rows records for which salary is greater than 30,000, it is showing. So this was the another way. The next way to use this is df4 df dot filter, and just give it in double quotes. That's it, simple, not that hard, right? So here, for example, location equals in single quotes, because to avoid the confusion of two nested double quotes, you just need to escape and all things. So instead of that, in Spark you can just use single quotes for the strings as well, and try to get the results for California. df4 dot show, and you are there, California. 236 are the IDs for which the location is California. So this was it. There are three ways to filter out the results from a data frame, and you can use any of them. There are no major performance issues. Those are just the writing formats that you prefer. Thank you for watching. Let's data. Thanks.